How to put your business on autopilot and increase your profit. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how to put your business on autopilot and increase your profit. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Are you looking for ways to put your business on autopilot? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, more and more business owners are searching for ways to streamline their operations and increase their profit. Fortunately, there are a number of things you can do to accomplish this. In this video, we'll share the most effective ways to put your business on autopilot and increase your profit. From automating key tasks to outsourcing non-essential functions, these tips will help you take your business to the next level. Automate your social media. If you're not already using a tool like 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐤 or Buffer to schedule and automate your social media posts, then you're behind the times. Automating your social media can help you free up time to focus on other aspects of your business, and it can also help ensure that your social media presence is consistent. Tools like 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐤 and Buffer allow you to schedule your social media posts in advance, so you can set them and forget them. This means that you can take a batch of content and schedule it out for months in advance, ensuring a consistent flow of content even when you're busy with other things. In addition to freeing up your time, automating your social media can also help boost your engagement levels. When your posts are scheduled in advance, you can take the time to interact with your audience and build relationships with them. This way, when your automated posts go out, they are more likely to be seen and engaged with by people who already know and like you. Automate your customer service. In today's fast-paced business world, excellent customer service is more important than ever. In order to keep up with the competition, it's essential to find ways to automate your customer service. Here are a few ways to do just that. No. 1. Use live chat software to offer instant help to your website visitors. No. 2. Set up an automated email response system to answer customer queries quickly and efficiently. No. 3. Use a CRM system to manage your customer data and interactions in one place. No. 4. Implement a self-service knowledge base or FAQ section on your website so that customers can find answers to their questions without having to contact you directly. By taking advantage of these various automation tools, you can free up your time and resources so that you can focus on other aspects of your business. Not only will this improve your bottom line, but it will also give your customers the excellent service they deserve. Create an email list. An email list is one of the most powerful tools in your online arsenal. It allows you to stay in touch with your customers and prospects and build a relationship with them. The first step is to create a sign-up form. You can use a service like MailChimp or Weber to do this. Once you have the sign-up form set up, you need to promote it. There are a number of ways to promote your sign-up form. Add it to your website. This is the most obvious place to start. You can add it to your sidebar, header, or footer. Write a blog post about it if you have a blog. Write a post about why people should sign up for your email list. Be sure to include a call to action CTA at the end of the post. Include it in your email signature every time you send an email. Include a link to your sign-up form in your signature. This is a great way to get exposure for your form without being too pushy. Promote it on social media. Share a link to your sign-up form on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Use hashtags and other relevant keywords so people can find it easily. Automate your blog posts. If you want to increase your profits, one of the best things you can do is automate your blog posts. By automating your blog posts, you can free up more time to focus on other aspects of your business. There are a number of ways to automate your blog posts. One way is to use a WordPress plugin like WP Autopost. WP Autopost allows you to automatically post content from a variety of sources, including RSS feeds, social media accounts, and email newsletters. Another way to automate your blog posts is to use a service like IFTTT or Zapier. These services allow you to connect different online services together and automate tasks between them. For example, you could use IFTTT to automatically post new articles from an RSS feed onto your blog. Use an autoresponder. An autoresponder is an email marketing tool that allows you to automatically send emails to a list of subscribers. This is a great way to stay in touch with your customers and keep them updated on your latest products and services. Autoresponders can also be used to deliver coupons, discounts, and other promotional offers. Use an online booking system. In today's world, customers expect businesses to have an online presence. If you don't have a website, you're missing out on a lot of potential business. In addition to having a website, you should also have an online booking system. An online booking system allows your customers to book appointments or classes directly from your website. This is convenient for both you and your customers. You don't have to worry about scheduling conflicts or double bookings, and your customers can book appointments at their convenience. There are a number of different online booking systems available, so make sure to do your research before choosing one. Some things you may want to consider include price, features, and ease of use. Once you've chosen an online booking system, setting it up is relatively easy. Most systems will provide you with code to insert into your website. Automate your payments. Automate your payments is one of the best ways to put your business on autopilot is to automate your payments. You can do this by setting up automatic bill pay with your bank or using a service like PayPal or Stripe. This will help you keep track of your finances and make sure that your bills are paid on time, every time. Use an accounting software. Another great way to automate your business is to use an accounting software. This will help you keep track of your income and expenses, as well as create invoices and track payments. There are many different accounting software programs available, so be sure to find one that fits your needs. Hire an assistant. If you really want to take things to the next level, consider hiring an assistant. This person can help with tasks like customer service, data entry, and appointment scheduling. This will free up your time so that you can focus on more important things, like growing your business. Use a CRM system. If you don't already have a CRM system in place for your business, now is the time to get one. A CRM system will help you to automate many of the tasks associated with running your business, including customer management, sales and marketing, invoicing and payments, and more. There are many different CRM systems available on the market, so it's important to choose one that's right for your business. If you have a small business, there are plenty of affordable CRM solutions that will meet your needs. For larger businesses, there are enterprise-level CRM systems that offer more comprehensive features and functionality. Once you have a CRM system in place, you'll be able to track every aspect of your business in one central location. This will give you valuable insights into your customers, your sales and marketing efforts, and your overall performance. Outsource your customer service. Customer service is one of the most important aspects of any business. It can be the difference between a satisfied customer and a disgruntled one. Yet, it is also one of the most time-consuming and expensive aspects of running a business. If you are not careful, it can quickly eat up your profits. One way to combat this is to outsource your customer service. There are many companies that specialize in providing customer service for businesses. They can handle everything from answering phone calls to dealing with complaints. This frees up your time so that you can focus on other aspects of your business. Outsourcing your customer service can be a great way to save money and time. It also allows you to focus on other parts of your business. Use a project management tool. There are a lot of project management tools available, and it can be tough to decide which one is right for your business. However, using a project management tool is a great way to put your business on autopilot and increase your profit. A project management tool will help you keep track of all the moving parts of your business and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. This will free up your time so that you can focus on other things, like growing your business. There are a lot of different features that you can look for in a project management tool. However, some of the most important ones include the ability to create and manage tasks, the ability to assign tasks to team members, the ability to track progress on tasks, the ability to create and manage deadlines, the ability to generate reports. Using a project management tool is a great way to streamline your business and make it more profitable. If you haven't already done so, I encourage you to give one a try. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.